Meet the Supply Single Edge Razor, the closest and most comfortable shave ever. Don't believe me? Keep watching. Supply is a Kickstarter-born company. 2 years ago, we launched the Single Edge Safety Razor, which quickly became the most funded single edge razor delivered in Kickstarter history. We delivered the razors as promised and received hundreds of glowing reviews from our backers. Thousands of customers all over the world actually look forward to their morning shave thanks to the Single Edge. But now, we're back for more. We've heard our backers loud and clear about their wish list for the next version of the razor, and we've incorporated all of them into the Single Edge 2.0. It may look the same on the outside, but this is an entirely new razor. It's made from solid surgical grade stainless steel with a brand new cutting edge manufacturing process. And it's now offered in 4 stunning colors: classic matte, mirror polish, matte black, and jet black. The brand new black colors are created with a military-grade titanium finish, typically used for Navy SEAL watches. It's exceptionally durable, scratch-resistant, and stunningly beautiful. But what's most important is how it shaves. We've taken an already excellent design and improved the comfort, the usability, and the overall feel of the razor. We've incorporated user feedback to improve the shave of the razor, so that it shaves extremely close, yet comfortably. The razor is designed to accommodate 3 different shave settings so that you can choose the one that's best for you. Choose the mild setting for sensitive skin and short beard growth, the aggressive setting for long beard growth or not so sensitive skin, and the classic setting for everything in between. Every razor comes with the classic setting, and the extra 2 settings can be added on to your pledge. Every handle ships with a 6-month supply of stainless steel single edge blades. They're commonly known as injector blades. They've been in production for over 90 years and can be easily purchased online. They're twice as thick as standard razor blades, which means they last twice as long and shave twice as great. Unlike its cheaper counterparts, the Single Edge is crafted from 100% solid stainless steel, which means it won't rust, won't break, and carries a lifetime guarantee to back it up. For decades, men shaved with a single blade razor. Why? Because it worked, and it worked well. Today, millions of men around the world are waking up to the fact that shaving with 1 blade is superior to 5. So back us now and help us spread the single blade revolution. We can't wait to see where your mornings will take you with the Single Edge.
I try to take charge and shave his back, but he walks around looking like a... When you take your shirt off, people run.
Okay. Let's just take a breath. I know it can be a little expensive, but perhaps you could try waxing. That's out. Here, try this. It's the Backblade, the easiest do-it-yourself back shaver on the planet. The Backblade is extremely easy to use. The unique patented safety blades leave a smooth shave and are designed to minimize the risk of cutting. They feel just like a back scratcher. Backblade 2.0 also features an S-shaped ergonomic design, giving you a full range of motion so you can shave all those hard-to-reach areas. The Backblade leaves no stubble behind. And with multi-rows of our improved 2.0 blades, you'll find that these old-timers last for quite some time. If you need to change blades, slide them out and slide the new ones in. And best of all, the Backblade can be used both wet or dry. Don't be an ape. Shave your own back. Isn't it about time you put the man back in manscaping? Back us now and take back your back today.
Because here at Backblade,
We got your back.
Back our campaign and receive an exclusive discount available only on Kickstarter.